Transform any space into a lavish upscale retreat with this easy tutorial on applying peel and stick wallpaper. In just a few simple steps, you can add a touch of luxury and sophistication to any room in your home. Let's get started. First, unbox the contents of the package. Inside the tube, you'll find your wallpaper wrapped neatly in tissue paper, a squeegee for easy application, and instructions. Roll out your sheets of wallpaper. Make sure you have enough sheets to cover your wall and let them rest for approximately 48 hours so that they adapt to the conditions of the room and ensure a bubble-free finish. While the wallpaper is resting, prepare your walls by removing electrical outlets, wall trim, and other elements that might disturb the application process. Make sure your surface is clean and smooth by wiping it down with a damp cloth and filling any holes with spackle if necessary. If you have walls that are made of non-standard material, like wood or tiles, or you just feel unsure whether you've prepared the walls correctly, don't hesitate to contact us. We will always be happy to help with any questions. Correct preparation is key to a flawless and easy application process. Now, clear the area of any obstacles and let's move on to the next step. Now, let's gather the necessary tools for the project. You will need a step stool or step ladder, the wallpaper, a level, a pencil, and a blade. To apply the wallpaper straight, use your level and mark a straight dotted line, making sure it is the width of the wallpaper sheet. The first sheet of paper is crucial for determining the precision of the remaining sheets. Starting from the top of the first sheet, peel off about 12 inches of the protective layer from the back side of the wallpaper and apply the sheet to the top of your wall. Use the step ladder to reach the top of the wall and avoid pulling the wallpaper too hard, as it might stretch the material and look uneven. As you remove the backing, smooth out the paper in a vertical motion, going top to bottom at first and then from the center going outwards, using your squeegee to ensure there are no bubbles. Be sure to hold the squeegee at an angle, as that provides the best results. When applying the rest of the sheets, make sure that the pattern matches up. Make sure that the edges of the wallpaper do not overlap. Continue repeating the same steps until you are finished. If you've stuck the wallpaper sheet incorrectly, it is possible to make small adjustments by peeling away a small part. After applying all the sheets, use the squeegee to remove any bubbles you may have missed. After 24 hours, repeat the process to ensure that the wallpaper stays sticky and smooth out any remaining bubbles. Finally, remove the excess wallpaper with a blade. Now, step back and admire your truly luxurious and elegant space. With just a few simple steps, you too can create a stunning room. So why wait? Embrace your inner interior designer and start creating your dream space today. Turn any place into your dream space with DecoPrint.